What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Giovanni, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. And today I'm going to show you guys the ultimate scalping cheat code. I'm not much of a scalper myself because I do like to close out my trades with more profits, but I do have that sauce for you guys. I do have the ultimate cheat code, and all you guys have to do is change the setting on my bot. A lot of people think that the bots that I made are just like swing traders, but they can actually scalp as well. So let's get into the sauce. Okay guys, so in previous videos I showed you guys how these EAs trade, how my Skittles EAs trade, my lifetime compound EA trades, and also how my trend beast trades. Okay guys, so I want you guys to know that all these bots were made to pretty much swing trade in some form or fashion, but they also are hybrids. They can also be made to scalp. If you want them to scalp, you can have them scalp if you want to. So I'm going to show you guys how. First, I'm going to show you the example again of the trend beast just trading how it does regular. We know the trend beast is a trend trader and it uses any trend. You guys can see it takes a sell. We're already in profits. It already secured a bag and it keeps selling. And as long as the trend keeps going down, it's going to keep selling and securing you a bag. So right there, secured you a bag. And we made money, okay? But it's not scalping. What it's doing is it's taking a lot, $1 lot, and then it's taking partial profits like every 10 pips, okay? So that's where you see these profits going, and it's taking partial profits throughout this whole trend down, okay, guys? Same thing for the buys, okay? So once the trend changes, if it's a buy trend, it will continue to buy as long as the trend is a buy. And you can see it securing profits just how it did on the sell. Okay, so we catch all the moves when we use the trend beast bot. Okay. All right, and we are in profit. Okay, so that's how the trend beast works. But you guys see how it is securing the bag, right, every 10 pips. What we can do is we can change one setting to make it secure money as soon as it's in profit. So let's do it. All you gotta do is go to Expert Advisor Properties and then change the setting that I have here for secure profits is 1,000. Let's go ahead and change it to 0. Let's change it to 0. Okay, now let's see what happens on these trends. All right, so it takes a sell. Now see how it scalps throughout this whole thing. You see, right, just took $6, $18 and got out of there. Okay, it's gonna do it again. Look, you see it, another $14. Go to results. So you guys can see the results are different. You're scalping it now instead of holding it for the full 10 pips or whatever the case may be. You still have the $1 lot size. We're just scalping in and out with a $1 lot size is what we're doing right now. Okay, going straight up. So you guys can use this bot for whatever you want. You know, you guys can use this to scalp on gold. It takes another sell entry. So now when it goes below, it's gonna scalp. $15, got out of there. Okay, guys, so you guys can see it doing this thing. It takes another sell. When it goes down there again, it's gonna scalp. Yep, just how you see it scalping down this whole thing. So what the trend beast will do for you when you put it on, instead of it holding for 10, 20 pips, whatever you put it on, it's going to look to scalp as soon as you get into profits. Okay, you guys see the results. Okay, still making the money, but now it's being scalped. Instead of, you're holding on the trade, taking partial profits, it's being scalped as soon as you're in profits. Okay, so it's definitely powerful for all my fans of scalpers out there. You guys can see scalping, scalping, scalping. Now let's go ahead and look for the buys now. So now it takes a buy. You guys can see as soon as it gets into profit, it's looking to close in profit right there. It took a minus 70-cent loss because it kept dropping down. $5 right there, $22 made right there. So, everything's made back. and it keeps making profit. $44 close right there. So you guys can go ahead, get any one of my EAs and have it scout for you, just how it's doing right here. I would just change my stop loss settings in case the market wants to go the other way on me, but that's pretty much it. You can have this thing scout, the 1 minute time frame, anything. All right, and it continues to scout, place buys. It's an uptrend, so just like the trend beast, it would just keep buying and taking partial profits if we didn't have the scalping feature on. But instead, now every time it's a buy trend, it's just gonna keep scalping buys the whole time until the trend is over. Okay, right there it's over and it stops. Same thing with the buys and same thing with the sells. Look, it continues to go up and the trend beast knows exactly, okay, I need to scalp a buy. Okay, guys. So this is the feature. You guys can see we're already up $657 just by scalping. With this feature, I don't think you need a big account also, so that's definitely a plus. Right there, I managed to catch a $55 trade scalping just by catching a big sell at the time. So, you get the right settings on this. This is definitely powerful. So that was the trend beast, but I want to show you guys that my Skittles EA can do the same thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. Usually the job of the Skittles EA is to just catch the trend reversals and manage it for you, trail and stop, and secure profits for you. So this is what it does. You guys can see the trail and stop is right there, and it hits the trail and stop right there. Okay, so you secure some profits and fast forward for a buy. Depending on what your trailing stop is, you could have caught this whole move, but mine's is pretty tight, so it got hit right there. It takes another buy at the EMA cross, and it's trailing and stopping and earning you money. Okay, but we can put a setting to scalp this. Okay, so we made money right here. All right, we made almost $400 already. Okay, but we can also scalp this as well. So I'll show you guys. All we have to do is change this number, start when profit is above to 0. And now it is a scalper. All right, so you guys see it scalping now. $24 made. It already scalping. You guys can close profits whenever. It's scalping for you already. Now already $86 was made from those 3 little scalping trades right there. Okay, let's fast forward real quick. Scalping for you still. Takes a loss right there, but you was in profit. Okay, but as you guys know, the trend beast would have been selling this whole time, scalping for you. The Skittles EA is only here to catch reversals. So when the EMAs cross again, you'll get another scalping opportunity. Okay, so here it comes. All right, and it's just scalping for you. Okay, so it made you some money. We got some nasty candlesticks up there, but you can also always close out these scalping entries yourself. Every time a trade is placed on your MC4, you will get alerted. So it's very powerful. It makes everything easier when it comes to managing these trades. And again, the Skittles EA cross, so now it's scalped. Okay, guys, so it's pretty simple. Every time the EMA crosses, instead of it holding the whole swing trade, which is made to do, it can scalp. You can use the lifetime compound to scalp as well. Lifetime compound buy is the same thing, just change the money trail or profit above to 0, and you start. Pretty much the same thing, guys. And when lifetime compound decides to take a trade, it's gonna scalp for the trade instead of swing trading it. Now, lifetime compound takes less trades. It's based on daily Bollinger Band levels and RSI levels, but also, the market has to be oversold or overbought, things like that. So there it goes. It scalped. It took a trade right there, $19, right on this little downtrend right there, and scalped and got out of there. Okay, guys, so that's what you can use this for as well. Got out of there. right there, $22. Okay, so now just basically every entry is being scalped. So this will change the results. Everybody who uses my bot gets different results based on the settings that they put in. Okay, so, you know, maybe I'll make a set file for scalping that is highly profitable using this setting. Like I said, I don't trade like this, but anybody in my academy can take advantage of these settings and figure out a way to be highly profitable changing these settings to scalping. Okay, as you guys can see, especially with the Trend Beast EA, it has lots of potential with that setting. So right there, it just cost $62 on a scalp. So pretty big trades. As you guys see, it didn't take as much trades. You know, it took a couple losses on the lifetime compound EA because it's not even really made to be a scalper. But if you guys want to do that, change the setting for it. It's there on this EA as well, and it still ended up being $46 profitable, okay, for the day. So I would say that setting definitely works best on the Trend Beast. It was very profitable. I see on a Trend Beast that, you know, the Trend Beast is really just a monster. It'll eat up the trend for you, no matter if you're trying to swing trade the trade or just scalp it. If you want access to any one of these bots, go ahead and click the link in the description. The bots are going to be on my website, or you guys can get the bundle and get access to all of my bots that are currently in my Discord, guys. So as you guys can see, it's very easy to just, you know, change a couple numbers in the settings, and now boom, you have yourself an elite scalping bot. Now I know that there's millionaire traders out there who scalp for a living, and there's millionaire traders out there who also just swing trade. However you want to use the bot, it's up to you. I'm just letting you guys know that all my bots are hybrids and they could do anything in the markets, guys. So tap in. If you want more information on the bots, the EAs, click the link in my description. That's where you can get started with them. My Discord has been going crazy. A lot of people have been making money. I've had people already make over $4,000 their first week using these EAs. If you want to join my free Telegram, the link is in the description as well. Everybody, please like this video and subscribe, especially if you're someone out there who's looking into getting into trading with EAs or bots, expert advisors, or whatever you want to call it. If you are interested in this content, definitely subscribe so you can keep up with what I've got going on, updates on bots and stuff like that. For my new traders out there, understand that you do not need to know everything about the Forex market to get started with these bots. All you have to do is plug in, and we're going to teach you the simple things that you need to know to make money using these EAs. So without further ado, I'll see y'all later. Let's get to the bag.